Well, the upgrades mean that the power is likely going to be very reliable here, meaning a power outage isn't going to get you out of school anymore. You got to hope for a lot of snow. Some of this equipment was originally installed in the early 1970s. It's part of the Smart Energy Plan. We're coming in here and we're replacing the old cable. We're replacing the transformers and switchgear with new modern switchgears. We're installing a little over 2,000 feet of new cable. We also are installing an additional switchgear in this case that may tie in with a subdivision development next door to provide an additional alternate feed both to the college and to the subdivision.
You know, we're often investing in new technologies and state-of-the-art equipment, not only for our students, but for our staff too. So having a modern infrastructure is very important when you keep putting those things into place. And while we don't have any plans right now to expand the college, we now have the confidence to be able to expand at the college. It's a changing world. The college has to change with it, but in order to do that, we have to have a modern infrastructure, and Ameren, Missouri delivered that to us, and we're very thankful.